county in southeast Massachusetts. Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday, this flood warning has been issued because the Pershade Brook in Middleborough is likely to flood Woloski Park. The sole access point to several homes will likely be flooded. Some locations that will experience flooding include Woloski Park in Middleborough. A flood warning means that significant flooding is imminent or has been reported. Do not drive through flooded roads.
Here are 5 p.m. conditions across southern New England.